Hey, what's up guys? Just a reminder that this video is brought to you by MindFenix Hobby Store, so make sure to check out their site here. Here's another store that I would recommend checking out. You can see the name there in Japanese, Don Quixote. Don Quixote is like a chain. They have them in many big cities in Japan. It's basically just like a huge duty-free shop, so they have all kinds of stuff. No Gunpla as far as I know, and I've been there in the past. They only have some figures. They have some Converge figures and like Gundam Standard, whatever the recent series is. So it's a good place to buy those if you want to get the recent series. Older ones they don't have, but you can get them here and they'll be tax-free, so that's kind of cool. The AKB48 theater is here, so that's, I hate AKB48. I saw an interesting article once with the guy who is basically the creator of AKB48, where he said that they're not meant to be sexualized at all, that the girls are only supposed to portray real life. It's a bunch of bull. Well, it turns out I was wrong, and they do have some Gunpla here, so maybe it's just the one in Osaka didn't have any Gunpla. But here we have some perfect grade, master grade, new Thunderbolt kits, and everything. So let's check here. Remember at Gundam Front Tokyo, this was like 4,200 yen. Here, 3,600 yen, and no tax. So that's pretty cool. Other kits like the new RE Ifrit, 2,800 yen, and master grade Zaku 2, 2,800 yen. So that's actually really good prices for that stuff. After a lot of searching, I managed to find the Gundam Converts stuff. Apparently, this is the only one that they have at the moment, and 500 yen, pretty good price, but not too much of a selection. Not a whole lot of Gundam stuff here really, but you can find some pretty cool stuff in this shop, so it's definitely worth checking out, I think. Found this really awesome Char costume. I really want to buy this, but I'm really sure it won't fit me at all, and probably like over $100, so darn.